TiESFONG 360 dashcam, 4-channel recording at the same time. The resolution of M8's 4-channel can reach 1080p when it recording at the same time, and all 4-channel can be displayed on the main frame at the same time. Multiple angle camera provides more comprehensive security for your car. Superior night vision. The M8's 4-channel offer the latest built-in highly sensitive night vision image sensor, which will automatically compensates for light dark spots and balances exposure, makes all scene details are recorded vividly. Even in low night conditions, it capture clear videos and photos in your driving or parking moment. Rotatable lens angle and 140 degrees wide angle. All 4-channel can rotate back and forth, left and right, and adjust other recording angles at will by yourself. And all 4-channel are for 140U acute wide angle lens. The M8's 4-channel dashcam can capture more angles and provide more evidence at critical moments. Built-in Wi-Fi. Use app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. Connect via Wi-Fi and download your recorded videos directly to your smartphone, and then easily share these on social media. Loop recording and G-sensor. When the memory card reaches its maximum capacity, the oldest unlocked footage will be overwritten automatically to ensure infinite loop recording. Supports a half 3 minutes loop recording in class 10 or higher TF card up to 256 GB. The M8's 4CH dashcam will automatically lock the current recording video as proof of an incident once the built-in G sensor detects a collision.